Welcome to Nigeria Anchor News.
The Minister of Information,
former President Donald Trump.
Nigeria Anchor News Sports Section.
The people of Palestine, thank you.
Thank you for being a part of Nigeria Anchor News today.
Inflation, subsidy removal, others fueling child poverty in Northeast. I am Abigail. Now the news in detail. Experts have identified inflation, subsidy removal and insurgency as the major drivers of child poverty, particularly in the northeastern region of Nigeria. A social policy specialist with the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, Bauchi Field Office, Dr. Yusuf Auta, made the observation on Wednesday in a paper he presented on multidimensional child poverty in Adamawa, Gombe and Bauchi State during a two-day media dialogue in Gombe State. Nigeria Anchor News reports that the dialogue is organized by UNICEF in partnership with the Gombe and Bauchi governments as part of efforts to address the problem of child poverty in the Northeast. Auta listed other factors such as unemployment, inadequate investment in social sectors, insufficient income and high living costs associated with child rearing, including housing, food and fuel expenses as contributing factors to child poverty. According to him, children face both dimensional and multidimensional poverty affecting areas such as water, sanitation, housing, access to information, nutrition, education, health and child protection as outlined in a situation analysis conducted in 2021. On his part, Dr. Ali Madina Dankumo of the Department of Economics and Development Studies, Federal University Kashere in Gombe State, identified the adverse effects of bad governance on household heads, citing negative impacts on children's health care. He referenced data from the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, NPHCDA, indicating that 67 million children lack access to health care in Nigeria as of 2022. Dr. Dankomo underscored how poverty hampers children's access to quality education and restricts their social mobility, thereby fostering crime and social unrest. Recall that the 2022 report of the National Bureau of Statistics, NBS, revealed that child poverty is particularly prevalent in rural areas, with nearly 90% of rural children experiencing poverty. The Child Multidimensional Poverty Index, MPI, indicates higher poverty rates in the Northeast and Northwest regions, where 90% of children are poor, and comparatively lower rates in the Southeast and Southwest regions, 74% and 65.1% respectively.
Thank you for being a